Come check out USA Surfing Championships today and this weekend. Open house at Unit 15B today. You can see that my unit overlooks North Jetty and South Jetty. Amazing view here. Enjoying living in North County at my new listing. Feet are kicked up. Just watching the USA Surfing Championships here from 15B. It's like box office seats here. This place is pretty awesome. It's got amazing indoor-outdoor flow. These retractable doors, seamless flow. Has its own hot tub jacuzzi. Look at these views, panoramic. Probably the best views you're gonna find in SoCal right now for the price. Indoor-outdoor flow is really amazing. You really can't find this anywhere else. It's a 2-bedroom, 1,364 square feet, but it's really like a 1-bedroom. And the 2nd bedroom is here, right here, open. And most people have removed this wall. My website, unit15b.com, with Cole Banker West. Contact me for a private showing. I can give you all the attention you need. Touring Marina Towers. I have a couple websites I can share with you. livinginmarinatowers.com. It's like my website for the building. And then unit15b.com is a site I've created for Unit 15B. And asking $1,495,000. HOA is $865,000. Fantastic amenities here. There's community pool, spa, barbecue, covered jacuzzi outside. Kind of an intimate outdoor jacuzzi with a fire pit, barbecue, all ocean views, in a clubhouse. All that has ocean views. Great to knock out some work outside of this unit. You have amazing access to downtown O. Downtown O's bustling dining scene, and the Strand, and just everything what living in Oceanside is all about. So buying or selling in North County, give me a call. Dusty, Cole Banker West. Unit 15B is a very special ocean treasure. We get a little sunshine here. That'd be nice. That way I can get some really good video and photos. It's been pretty gray lately, but making it work. This is an amazing unit any time of day, month, year. Great surfing and all kinds of activities. Hop on the beach cruiser and just enjoy living at the beach right here.